everyone, Jess here from YogiTriathlete.com. I'm just about to head out for a run, 3 miles, just to shake off my day. But after doing teaching two power yoga classes and 4 hours of deep tissue massage, my back's stiff, my hips a little bit on fire. And so I'm going to get some blood flowing for the run to make things a little bit more smooth. So I'm going to do a quick little pre-run rollout. So what I've found with my clients and my yogis over the years is that there seems to be some confusion with owning a foam roller and actually using it. They are two different things. This takes maybe less than a minute to get it done, and it's going to make all the difference in my run. So I'm going to start right here, way up high on my hip. And I'm just going to do some little rolls. I'm going to come forward right into my hip flexor, open that up here. I did a little bit of sitting today, but most of the time up on my feet. And then I'm going to take it a little bit longer, all the way down the IT band to the knee and back. Roll forward a little bit onto my quad. Couple rolls there. And then start to head towards my back and hips. So a couple little rolls on the hips. And then I'm going to take it all the way up my spine. This is like dessert. Right here. And then I'm going to go over to the other side and repeat it and head out for my run. 2 seconds, guys. It doesn't take long at all. Owning a foam roller is totally different from using it. Namaste.